Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, how many revision tests have we done?
Ma'am, 5.
We have done. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Have we done the mix of all three chapters also? Revision test of all three chapters?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What did we do in the last class? We were doing reading.
Yes, ma'am, we have done reading.
Yes, ma'am, we have doing reading.
All right. Now today what I'm going to do is I'm going to conduct a oral quiz today. Fine?
Ma'am,
Yes.
no, which chapter? Or which chapter?
Of all the three chapters. It is
Ma'am,
going
my
to...
name.
Okay, which are coming in the UT.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, my throat is not well.
Your throat is not well.
Ma'am.
Okay, so when your turn will come, beta, you will type the answer. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, ready, all of you?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we write
Ready, ma'am.
chat box? And can we write answer in chat box?
What? Can you?
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, can we write answers in chat box?
Okay, do this thing. This will be nice. All of you, I'll ask you questions
ma'am.
and you all will have to type in the chat.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, this is. Yes, ma'am.
All of you mute yourself now. The first question is, what is civics? What is civics?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent Arav.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have
Shaurya, Arav and Akshadha. I have received 3 answers. I'm waiting for others also.
Ma'am, what is question?
What is
Ma'am,
civics?
please tell my answer.
Beta, I will if it will be wrong, I will say it. Don't worry.
What we are doing?
Beta, I am speaking questions and everyone has to write the answer in the chat box. My first question was, what is civics? Type the answer.
I have sent Arhan.
I will now, beta, I can see who all have sent.
Ma'am, please check my.
Very nice, Raina, Yashmit, Samarth, Arhan. Akshadha and Arav and Shauritya. Bhavya, okay, Bhavya has not sent. Bhavya, you have not typed.
Ma'am,
So till
Ma'am, I
now,
have also sent. Shobhit, I have also sent Shobhit.
yes, Shobit and Anika Verma. Very nice. What about others? There are so many students sitting. Okay, Mokshit. No, Mokshit, beta, your answer is wrong. What is civics? I didn't ask what is civic sense. You have to tell what is civics. Very good, Naisha. No. Naisha, it is a subject that teaches how the government of a country works.
And I have also sent in the chat box.
Yes, beta, I have read your answer. Okay, Varshita correct. Jaskaran correct. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
please the next question.
Beta, why? Let everybody type na. See, Jaskaran has sent the answer now. Mokshit has sent. Very good, Mokshit. Very nice. Okay, next question. Next question is what is a citizen? What do you mean by citizen?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What do you understand by the term citizen? What is citizen?
Ma'am, please can you repeat? Ma'am, I have sent Arav.
Beta, what is a citizen? Very good. Arav, Bhavya, Arhan, Samarth, Mokshit. Very good. Others also send your answers.
Ma'am, I have sent Jaskaran Singh. Ma'am, I have also sent Shobhit Gupta.
And I have also sent Rehna.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Very nice. Very nice. Yes. All of you, almost all of you have sent the answer. Very good. And everyone's answer is correct. Very nice, Naisha. Naisha has sent it along with an example. A person of India is an Indian citizen. Good.
Ma'am, please tell Ashray don't send answers in chat box to everyone.
Okay, Ashray, sending it to everyone. Better send it to me directly.
Ma'am, I have
Next question.
Ma'am, now I will send her.
Next question. The next question is, okay, a general question. Let me see. Who are neighbors? Who are neighbors or what are neighbors?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What, beta?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Who is a neighbor? Very
Okay.
nice. Correct answers in the chat box. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, please don't read my answer after house.
Okay.
Ma'am, I've sent my answer in chat box.
Ma'am, please.
All right. People living near our house are called neighbors. Very nice. Next question.
Ma'am, my answer is correct, Shobhi Gupta.
Yes, beta, it's correct. Okay, next question. Name any 3 people of the past. Name any 3 people
Okay, ma'am.
of the past.
Ma'am, what I can't understand it.
Name any 3 people or name any 3 great achievers of the past. You have learnt about so many great personalities of the past, right? You can write down their names, not only in SST, but in GK also, in English also, you have heard about so many people or achievers of the past. Name any 3 people.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Ma'am, in the book, there is written as only one name.
Any
There I have
3,
sent in chat box.
beta I can see. Name any 3 great achievers of the past.
Ma'am, I have
Me.
Shivaji, very good. Shobit, now that's not the correct answer, beta. You have to name 3 people.
Ma'am, is my answer is correct, Arav? I don't think it is right.
It is absolutely correct.
Ma'am, please check mine, Akshita.
Yes, beta, it is correct.
Ma'am, what is
Harshita, who are these people, beta?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I was a little confused in the spelling, so sometimes.
No, beta, no. But see, I am asking about people of the past. So, do you think they are not alive now? Have they become past? No, they are still alive. Saina Nehwal. Is she not alive now? She is alive, beta. She is not a person of the past. You have to name the people of the past, like Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, these kind of personalities who do not exist now,
Okay.
but they are great achievers of the past.
Ma'am, is my answer correct, Yashmit?
Now, Mary Kom. Mary Kom is not alive now. Yes, now you can name Milka Singh because he is now no more. Milka Singh is person of the past now. But what about Mary Kom? Is she not alive?
Ma'am, Milka Singh died days ago.
Yes, a few days back he died. He expired a few days back. So he can be counted in the great achiever of the past.
Ma'am, what we are doing, I have joined a little 15 minutes.
Little late or too late, huh? We are doing, I'm just asking you questions and everybody is typing the answers in the chat box. Okay, next. What? Now next one is a little long one.
Ma'am,
What
like
is the
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes, Sushant Singh Rajput. Okay. What is the difference between archaeological source and literary source?
Ma'am, please repeat.
What is the difference between archaeological source and literary source?
Ma'am, like in this answer, we have to write that what is archaeology and
No, what are archaeological sources? You can tell examples. You can tell the difference. Like literary sources are what? They are the written records of the past.
Building and monuments.
Yes.
Ma'am, archaeological source means
Archaeological sources can be monuments, inscriptions, coins, paintings, tools.
Can I tell archaeological source?
Yes, tell. Beta, your voice is breaking. I can't understand.
Artifacts, paintings,
Yes.
inscriptions.
Yes, very good. Very good.
I have sent the answer chat box.
Yes.
I have written in the chat.
did not get the answer. Maybe we did not get the answer.
Beta, you don't have to get the answer because you have to find the answer yourself. You have to frame it yourself using your own understanding. Now, what are literary sources? We all know that they are written records of the past, right? You can give one example, for example, Upanishads.
Chat box
Or
is not showing. Ma'am, my chat box button is not showing here.
what is not showing here, beta? And archaeological sources, what are they? They are like monuments, coins, etc. Now, Naisha's answer is absolutely correct. What she has written is archaeological sources are.
Ma'am, I don't know this an
Things-
example of literary source.
You don't know any example of literary source?
Ma'am, I know.
Autobiographies. Yes, write it.
Ma'am, only
Archaeological sources are things like monuments, coins, buildings. While literary sources are written records like
Ma'am, no.
inscriptions.
Ma'am, I
What?
don't know the literary source. Archaeological source I know, ma'am.
So beta, will you listen to me? I'm speaking now. Try to be a good listener. What are written records? Written records are inscriptions, manuscripts, autobiographies, Upanishads. These are all literary sources. They're all written records. Is it clear? Now, Arav Gupta, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what about rest of the students? Now it's clear? How you're going to tell the difference between archaeological source and literary source? You will tell what archaeological sources of history are. Next question. What information do coins give us? What information do coins give us?
Old coins give us the example of old life and old past.
Better type the answer in the chat box. Don't speak. Type
Ma'am,
it.
what is the question?
The question is, what information do coins give us? Coins give us important information about the past. That's correct. But what kind of information, Raina? Like they tell us about the name of, you have to describe what information. We all know that they give us important information.
Excuse me,
But
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Shobit is disturbing me by sending messages in chat box.
Now, Shobit, you don't want to study better, you can leave the class. Or tell me, I'll remove you. Yes, Akshada, nice answer. It gives us information like name of the ruler, name of the place, the metal available in that place, the date it was issued. So many important things it tells us.
Ma'am,
Yes,
were some coins made of copper?
yes, they were.
And ma'am, the rulers of that time wrote their name on the coin.
Their name was written on the coin. The ruler of that particular period, his name was written on those coins. So through those coins, we come to know that who was the ruler in that particular period. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a box in which I have kept so many coins, and I have still one note of 1 rupee.
Okay, very nice, very good. We even come to know the language that was used in that particular place. Okay, ready for the next question? How many of you are still typing this answer?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, next is, what are the things of historical importance called? Let me see.
Ma'am, what?
What are the things of historical importance called? Things of historical importance are called dash. Very nice. Yashmit is the first one to answer it correctly. No, Samarth, beta, wrong answer.
Ma'am, please type the question in the chat box so ma'am I can write the answer.
Listen to the question. Listen to it. Things of historical importance is called dash. What are the things of historical importance called? Anything that holds historical importance, we call it an.
Ma'am, please repeat. I can't
Come on,
understand.
I want more answers. Anything that holds historical importance is called dash.
And please give some hint.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Give some hint. Okay, the word starts with A and the next letter is R.
Ma'am, what's the?
A-R.
Ma'am, what is the question? Ma'am, I have sent Bhavya.
Anything, beta, it's wrong. Anything that has historical importance is called a dash.
Ma'am,
A thing of historical importance is called a dash.
Ma'am, I have sent in the chat box. Bhavya.
Bhavya, beta, it's wrong.
Ma'am, there are two
I
words.
have sent student.
No, there is just one word.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's archaeology.
Ma'am, I have sent. Please check.
Ma'am, please see the chat box.
Raina, correct answer. Now Yashmit and Raina have sent the correct answer. Now children, I will type the answer.
Ma'am, please send
Sorry,
up.
Tyagi. Sorry, Tyagi, you have not sent anything.
Ma'am, I have sent.
I cannot see.
Ma'am,
Where have you-
has sent.
Ma'am, please
Okay,
send the
Akshada.
correct answer for chat box.
Akshada, correct answer. Very good. Things of historical importance. They are called dash. Sure, beta, resend your answer. I haven't got it.
Ma'am, please check the chat.
the answer.
Beta, I will tell. Just hold on.
Ma'am,
Very good, Naisha. Correct
Ma'am,
answer.
Ma'am, I send answer
Very
on
good.
chat box.
Sure. Yes, sure. Correct answer, beta.
Ma'am, please see. I have typed answer.
Shobit, beta, if I have not called out your name, that means your answer is wrong. I am only calling out the names of the ones whose answers are
Ma'am,
correct.
please send the correct answer.
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
Okay, now everybody see in the chat box what is the correct answer.
Artifact.
What are artifacts? Things of historical importance. They are called artifacts.
But ma'am, what are artifacts?
Artifacts are things of historical importance.
Ma'am, I am send the
Artifacts.
answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am send the answer.
Ma'am, but my spelling
Next. Now, next, the question is,
is. Please tell the next question.
a dash is much like a detective. A dash is much like a detective.
Ma'am, what is the question?
You have to fill in the blank. A dash is much like a detective. Very nice. Shore, Naisha, Yashmit, Jaskaran. Correct answers. Who is like a detective? Who looks for evidences? Very good, Arav Gupta.
Ma'am, did I tell the answer?
No, sorry, wait, beta. Let everybody guess.
Ma'am, please repeat our question.
Ma'am, please see my answer. Please see my answer.
The question is, a dash is much like a detective who looks for evidences. Very nice, Akshadha.
Ma'am, why? Bhavya.
Beta, if your answer will be correct, your name will be called out. Very good, Vamika. If I have not
Please
called
see
out
my
your
answer.
name, that means your answer is wrong. Okay. The answer is historian. A historian is much like a detective.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I have sent the same answer.
you have sent your answer.
Yes, ma'am. I have sent historian.
Okay, beta. Next question is, it's a long answer. Why,
Ma'am,
or you can, yes.
ma'am, you can speak on the mic.
No, you have to type it. What is the importance of voting? Give any 3 points. What is the importance of voting? Why is voting important? Give any 3 points.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the chat box by mistake, I send you a message.
Okay.
Please don't do that.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, I am working on computer. Ma'am, my answer is correct or not?
Beta, I'm reading. But you have just given 1 point, Raina. Samarth, correct
I have given
answer.
2 more points. Please wait.
Yes, that 1 point is correct.
Ma'am, I have sent Yashmit. Ma'am, your mic is on mute.
Okay, children, listen. Why is voting important? First of all, it allows people to choose their leaders. Right? We can choose their leader. We can choose our leaders through the process of voting. Then secondly, if the government does not meet the expectations of people, we can choose another candidate for the next elections. We can change, we can always change the leader. Thirdly, it gives every person the right to vote, and every vote is considered equal. I can see so many of you have typed the answer and it's correct also. Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I was confused, so I typed that no one can see who we are voting for.
No, one cannot see. Okay. Next question.
Ma,
Yes.
please check my Ashutosh.
Beta, only the first point is the correct point, because it tells voting is, through voting we can choose our leaders. The next 2 point is not about the importance of voting. What is the importance of voting? That you have to state.
Issue and now.
You are telling the age of voting is 18 years. This is no point. The next question is, what is the function of the Election Commission of India? What is the function of the Election Commission of India?
Ma'am, I'm telling that there is some connection issue on my side. That's why my chat box is not working.
That's why your chat box is
Not working.
okay.
Ma'am, I'm typing and I'm trying to send. Ma'am, what is the question? Like blank message.
Anika beta, you can write the answer and then you can share the picture. You can show it to me on the camera or you can send it on the class group. The question is, what is or what are the functions of the Election Commission of India?
And this is the next question.
Beta, wait, let everybody write the answer. I can only see Akshada's answer in the chat box. Very good, Mokshit. Very good, Naisha, Yashmit, Samarth.
मैम लग गई.
Done? Yes, it also declares the results, announces the results.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, so that's all for today.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye,
Bye,
to all
ma'am.
of you.
Bye, ma'am.